Hello everyone. Hopefully this is working. I'm just out and about. Hey, give us a there we go. Give us a shout out in the chat if you're there. Just down in Melbourne, out and about for a couple of days. Morning, Wealth Coffee Chat here from the streets of Melbourne. It's a bit chilly down here, but been a bit busy for the last few days. Haven't seen you guys for a little bit. Good morning, Sharon. How are you? Yeah, all good. Perfect. Okay. Catherine, good to see you. Hey, was hanging out with some cool people like Catherine and others over the last 4 or 5 days down in Sydney, actually, at our mastermind and with the K2 Kerwin Way crew. So big shout out to those guys. So I wasn't able to catch up with you guys on a Wealth Coffee Chat, but down in Melbourne this morning, a little bit fresh down here, but I'm wearing a t-shirt, so it's not not that cold. Hey, good to see you guys. I've got some pretty cool, interesting things to do some updates on. Had a very interesting presentation from a very cool economist, and some good information, good, interesting data about marketplaces and what happens when marketplaces, especially property real estate marketplaces, change their trajectory after interest rate rises over the last 30, 40 years. So I've got some awesome data. I'm going to sort of dive deep into that this week with you guys. Make sure you're around for that. So I'm not going to do it this morning. Just got myself a nice coffee and thought I'd quickly update you guys on what's coming up this week. We've got mentoring tonight. Make sure you get there tonight. The time and money crisis. We're going to be talking about that tonight. The idea that we've got more time than money. Most of us, most people, and we don't really grasp that when it comes to our investing and our retirement in the future. So really tonight we're going to dive into that and what we all might want to do about that, and making sure we have a bit of a look at if we're on track and those sorts of things. And over the next few days, I'm down here in Melbourne till Wednesday, and yeah, I might pop out to a few places, probably go and see a couple of my properties and hang around. Got a bit of a busy schedule, but I'm going to pop in and see the team in the office, and I might even catch up with a couple of people, Andy Fenton and the like. So a little short one this morning, team. Hope you're all awesome and well wherever you are, but make sure you get along tonight to mentoring. We're going to dive deep into a few things there, and this week I'm going to be pulling apart this data that I got over the weekend from the economist. It's very interesting stuff, and it's actually very reassuring, which, for all of us, we find the pieces of information that make the most sense to us for our investing and moving forward. So not a lot on this morning, team, but just a little touch base and a shout out. Good to see all of you guys. Thanks for quickly joining me, but tonight we'll hang out for a couple of hours and get right into it at the mentoring night. All right, that's about it from me. I'm going to sign off. Short, sharp, and simple this morning. You guys be awesome, be well, but tomorrow join me for another Wealth Coffee Chat. We'll be getting right into it and debriefing all what's going on in the world of real estate and investing. Until then, you team, you guys, be good. Hardik, morning to you. I know there's a bunch of people just jumped on, but yeah, see you guys tonight. All right. Adios. Be good. But tomorrow we'll be back at full speed ahead with Wealth Coffee Chats. 8:10. All right, that's it. Hello. Goodbye. See you tonight.